Hello. Hi, my name is Rachel from The Artist Life, and I'm here today because I have been wanting to do this hairstyle for a very long time. I wanted to see if I could recreate that style that I used to wear back my natural hair using this microloc hair. So let's see how it turned out. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull all of it up and we'll see. Hang in there with me. My title. I am so curious as to how this is going to turn out because I haven't really added anything to my microloc. This is the first time. Ooh, that's a little tight. Okay. I'm nervous. I'm going to tell you what I'm nervous about. I'm nervous about a few things. One thing I'm nervous about, this hair, let me just keep going before I talk myself out of it. The back of my hair doesn't stay up that well, so what doesn't stay up doesn't stay up. But I really just wanted this fresh retie to be showing on here. Okay. No, not gonna stay up. So use these. It took these pieces away. Had a light on. We can't be wasting no current around here. Alright, so we'll see if we get a closer look at this hair. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna leave the gold thing on there. I actually saw some at a beauty supply and I liked it a lot better than this because when I went back to the beauty supply, they didn't have it. So I went online to find some. Nothing beats a failure but a try. Something that I have noticed is the color of my hair. On the ends, can you see the difference of my ends versus down here? My ends are a lot lighter. I don't know how it happened, but okay, now here, will involve a lot more manipulation. At this point in the video, if you're screaming at me, Rachel, do such a... Let me know in the comments, because I'm curious as to what you think at this point. Are you thinking, keep going, girl, you got this? Or are you thinking, girl, all you had to do was ABC? Whatever it is at this point in the video, put it in the comments. Because right now I'm like, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, girl. I guess I should have showed y'all what I was doing. I just put it in my pig right there. Just keep swimming, girl. Right now I'm putting this in these loose ones I saw. I don't know. We're gonna see though. That's the only way you can learn is to try. I could get away with this, cause who gonna be in the top of my head other than my husband? You not, cause I'm sure I'm taller than you, whoever you may be. So I'm just trying to bring these layers over the top and over here. And I think we've made it. Dang, I feel like I'm cutting off my head this whole time. And now I'm finna go through with the small bobby pins and put all these loose hairs away, and then we'll look at it and see if I did anything. My video cut off, but I was done. Thankfully. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like this style? What do you think I should do about this? Should I have left it down? Like the little pieces that always fall, do the bobby pins make it look just give me your input on this style, you know. It's just something I wanted to do. I wanted to recreate a style I used to wear with my natural hair. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time. Bye. Something I usually don't do.
Getting your hair done, sis.
Hair is not mine.
Is it Mimi?